video. Today I'm gonna be playing this game called Trenchers, I think. Basically what?
Airsoft.
It's basically like airsoft. I don't know what it is, but
Yeah, it is, but it's more real. Yo, play.
I'm playing right now. How do I zoom in?
No.
Wait, I'm on the red team. Do I have to kill blue team or something?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. I'm zooming in. Bro, I can't see anyone. This is so hard. I feel like I like Rivals better. Bro, what are these guns? River. Are we on the same team? Bro, this is so hard. Why do we shoot balls? I don't want to shoot balls. Oh, I have a secondary. I have like a handgun. Okay, it's like Rivals. The only thing is that when I aim in, I can't. I hate this. I really do. I don't know who's my teammates or not. Bro. I'm red. I think I'm red. I wanna see in third person. Bro, this is so annoying. I got my first kill ever. Like, finally. Bro, this game is so hard because we have to shoot balls. Hey, not in the sus way, not in the sus way, okay? Like, come on. You can't be like that. Oh, River got me.
I think I got River. I got River, I think. Yeah, I got.
Oh, just imagine you like.
I want a riot shield or katana.
This isn't right.
I want it to be rivals. I got a kill again. Bro, this person keeps on hiding and killing me. Excuse me. Yeah. Victory.
Do you want me to stay on?
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
After this, we can make another video if you want. Or we could just play.
Alright.
Let's go. Ooh, it's much brighter this time, finally. We're in Tokyo, Japan.
Oh my god.
Yeah?
I'm getting pretty tired, but I can still play.
Oh, me too.
Yo, Rev, we him in that controller. What? Stop shooting, Kate. I'm gonna break the solar system.
Nah, bro, you jumped and break.
Bro, I'm lagging. I'm actually lagging. I just glitched.
Yo, man.
Excuse.
No, I promise you, I just lagged. Yeah? Leave? Why? No, wait. We need to finish the video first, okay?
I'm not gonna play anymore.
Okay.
I'm not gonna play that game.
But I need to finish the video, so I need to play. Okay? So guys, they don't want to play, so I guess I'm just going to finish this game for 12 minutes. 13.
Dad, what do you want to play?
Come on.
Yeah, I got this skin. Yo, it's kind of good. No, it sucks.
Wait, guys, I have a rivals video. I have a rivals idea. Like, maybe legendaries only. Or, yeah.
I have legendary. Bro, no, only like comments, kind of. No, you have all the comments.
I don't, like, have any skins. If you're talking about that.
Bro, just stop. We're not doing it.
Well, I may do it with some rivals. Well, I may do it with someone else, so. You never know.
We can do it.
I want. This is not free for all.
Wait, I know. If I die, I know the gun police. Oh, heck, bro. I didn't get to do
Oh, crap.
Yo.
back to me.
Yo, Merritt.
Yeah?
Just play paintball.
After,
We're gonna play one, by the way.
after this, do you just want to play? Yeah, no video. Like,
After this video, what we're about to gonna do. Okay.
this is like,
Barrett, end the video.
no, I need to finish it. I can't just end a video mid game. That'd be boring.
Boring.
No, I got lasers. I sold.
Barrett, can they hear us?
Sometimes.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, I was reloading my gun.
It don't matter. There's three of y'all. Three.
Of y'all, not me.
I don't need it, Joe.
Chicken tracking.
Chicken jockey.
Bro, this is so different.
Chicken. Bro, I crank when
Bro, someone's like flying or something. They were in one spawn, and I was shooting them, all of a sudden they were somewhere else. Are they lagging or am I lagging? Bro, it's so harder to aim in this game.
Yeah.
This is what I want
Oh my god.
But so what video are we gonna make?
What? Oh my god.
Bro, oh my god.
They ate a bomb. Oh, shoot. You. Bomb? Bomb. Go on. Let's go. What kind of lesson? Watch it,
I lost. Okay, guys, so that was the end of the video of this gun game. Peace out.